my number absent 29.
Hello, my name is Lisa Madera Pratili. My number absent is 5.
Hello, my name is Purina Claudia Kapitaputini. My number absent is 37.
So, today, we're gonna go in discuss an exciting new initiative in our school, the morning greetings cohort or Dispantara Menyapa. So, what do you think about greeting each other in the morning?
Hi guys, did you hear about that morning greeting movement in our school?
Yeah, I heard something about it. They are planning to have a teacher and student greet everyone at the school in first every morning, right?
Exactly. The idea is to create a more welcoming and positive atmosphere at the start of each day. I think it's a fantastic idea. Imagine how nice it would be to start the day with a friendly greeting.
I agree. It's definitely a nice way to start the day. But do you think it will really make a difference?
I think it can. Our small gesture like a warm greeting and have a big impact on how people feel. When you are greet with a smile and a friendly good morning, it can boost your mood and set a positive tone for the rest of the day.
That's true, plus it's not just about greeting itself. It's about building a sense of community and showing that we are care about each other. It can help strengthen relationship between students and teachers and even among students themselves.
Exactly. It's all about fostering a sense of belonging and making everyone feel valued. And it's not just about the students who are greeted. It's also benefits the greeters. To greet others can be a great way to start the day on a positive note and develop social skills.
That's a good point. It's a win-win situation. Students who pointer to greet others can gain confidence and improve their communication skills. Plus, it's a great way to get known to more people and make new friends.
And let's not forget about the teachers. Greeting students can help them build stronger connection with their students and create more positive and supportive classroom environment. It's a great way to show that they care about their students' well-being.
Also help identify students who might need extra support. A friendly greeting in the morning can be a way to spot students who seem down or stressed and offer them the help they need.
Absolutely. It's a simple gesture, but it can make a big difference and creating a more supportive and caring school environment. I'm really excited about the initiative. Are you thinking of the volunteering to be a greater?
I might. It seems like a great way to give back and contribute to making our school a better place. Plus, it could be fun to greet everyone in the morning and spread more positivity.
Same here. I think it's a wonderful opportunity to make a positive impact on our school community. Let's sign up together and be a part of this movement.
So let's plan. Let's greet and make your morning brighter for everyone.
That's all.